Start taping?
Yep.
Alright. Well, this is my little car.
I don't have you in it. I just have the car in it. Maybe you should speak in Dutch.
What? I can understand it. For people that don't know, I guess it goes on nitro fuel. That's what it looks like with the body on. Low block. So you get the start. Alright, we're in the after run. As you can see, it can take a lot of beating. This is the Exeed Madwarrior .28 engine. I'm just practicing jumping and in my backyard not too big. On the weekend we take it to the park. We have more room out there. It's ridiculous. It's super fast. It's got a lot of power, and I just broke in the engine last week, and so it's my first car, and I'm still learning. But so far so good. Haven't broke nothing yet, and we're doing good. So we'll see what happens in the future. I'll let you guys in Holland watch more videos, I guess, when I get a little better or when we go to the park, and see what happens. I guess it's time for me to clean my car and cook some dinner, I guess. It's after beautiful. A little close up from the car. That's the gas tank, engine, servos, throttle, steering servo. So, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. Well, I'll see you guys soon. Bye.